Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we are checking out the Zebronics Zeb Zouk Bar 3910, a slick and budget-friendly soundbar that's currently retailing at Rs 5,000. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So first of all, coming to the unboxing part, in the box you get the soundbar. You get a subwoofer, you get a remote to control it. Directly jumping into the design and the build part, the Zeb Zouk Bar 3910 sports a compact and glossy finish that instantly gives it a premium vibe. The soundbar is wall mountable, making it a great fit for minimal setup. The LED indicator on the front is subtle yet functional, and overall it feels well built for the price. Also, it's lightweight and compact and portable in the size. Coming up to the subwoofer part, it is a wired subwoofer that is all wooden cabineted with a premium build and finish. Now directly jumping up to the audio performance. This setup boasts a total output of 120 watt RMS, with the subwoofer delivering 70 watt and the dual drivers putting out 25 watt into 2. The 5.25 inch subwoofer brings solid bass into the mix, perfect for movies and music. While it may not shake the walls, the bass is punchy enough for the most living rooms. And here is a sample audio for you.
Sensation जैसे सरसराहट सनसनाहट गुदगुदाहट डगमगाहट फरफराहट थरथराहट कपकपाहट धड़बड़ाहट दबदबाहट चटपटाहट फरफराहट.
Coming up to the connectivity, the feature bar, Zebronics has nailed with its multiple connectivity options. Bluetooth 5.1, ARC, USB and aux. All are on board. Whether you're connecting to your TV, phone or laptop, it's a smooth experience. The included remote lets you adjust volume and media effortlessly, and the control are intuitive and responsive. Also, this soundbar suits perfectly for your desk setup. If you don't prefer a 2.1 channel speaker, then this can be a perfect choice for your desk. And it's produced enough sound for the 10 to 15 feet of room. So coming up to the final thoughts, for Rs 5,000, the Zeb Zouk Bar 3910 offers impressive value. Great for small to mid-size room, casual movie nights or boosting your everyday TV audio. It's not audiophile grade, but for the price, it's punched above its weight. My verdict on the speaker is solid bass, slick design and good connectivity. Make this a most consider in the budget soundbar space. So if you really want to check out this soundbar, the links are given in the description. But before leaving the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unboxing Guru for more honest reviews and tech unboxing.